What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we're going to be linking up with the homie Rob over at SquareWheels Automotive. We're going over for his birthday party, so definitely happy birthday to you. This is going to be going out a couple days after his birthday, but definitely feel free to spread the birthday joy in the comment section for him. Also, I'll be putting a link down below to his YouTube channel. I'm sure most of you are probably aware of his channel, but we'll kind of see if we can get a little time in to kind of go over his car and his setup and what he actually does, because he has his own business portion as well. So I'll go ahead and speak with him on that if we have time. And yeah, but let's go ahead and head on over there. So we just pulling up. I can tell we have the right location. This is dope. Make sure you follow. Oh, we got the front that I'm trying to get. Oof. And looky here. Very clean, fast intentions. Hey, she's still looking good. Yeah, kind of want to, if we have time, to have them go over your business and what you have going on too, so get more people to come your way. Oh, yeah, no problem. Car's looking great. And are these the headlights that just went in for some work, or well, that's a different set?
Non-stop, man. Like,
gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, because I saw your reel that you did, and I was like, all right, can't wait to see what's next.
He's like, I made sure I got
like, that's all your thing, huh?
There's only a few platinum Cadillacs available.
Let's hear it.
Gosh, they came back.
Let's see, I got the speaker or the mic facing me. Alright, sorry, just hanging out a lot, so didn't really get to record or talk about the car too much, but definitely check him out. If it focus. Alright, you can check out his website. He definitely has a lot of cool parts, as well as his, yeah, we'll skip that part, but yeah, as well as his YouTube channel. He has definitely a lot of informational videos on how to set up your car, have those cool lights and everything as well. So definitely make sure you check out the homie Rob, and once again, happy birthday to him, and thanks for the invite. But yeah, we can go ahead and end the video there. We'll go ahead and do the comment of the day. Comment of the day goes out to, and if you'd like to be selected for comment of the day, make sure you leave a comment down below. Who knows, you could be next. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.